Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by registering an Epic Games account and turning on two-factor authentication. This secures payments and dev access. Next, enroll in the creator or developer program and accept the required publisher agreements. This grant matters so Epic can link projects to you. Have your legal details ready: business name, government ID, and tax form like W-9 or local equivalent. Once done, Epic can verify your identity faster, so make sure your profile info exactly matches your official documents before moving to tools. Now you download and install Unreal Editor for Fortnite through the Epic Games launcher and sign in with the same Epic account you verified. Once linked, create a new UFN project, configure project visibility and platform identifiers so Fortnite recognizes your build. Connect a payment receiver and complete any marketplace or monetization setup if you plan to sell content. Then build a simple test island and run local playtests. This validates asset import, scripts, and crossplay behavior before you submit anything for review. Finish by packaging and submitting your UFN build to Epic for review, ensuring you followed all content guidelines and metadata requirements. Submissions trigger automatic checks and manual review. Invite testers using an island code or private sessions so you can iterate quickly based on real player feedback. If something fails, like a rejected build or publishing block, inspect the editor logs, confirm 2 FA and payment/tax accounts are active, and review asset policy flags. Often a single missing permission or mismatched business name causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.